In this video, we're going to go through the scripture from John. And I'm going to do it with the recording that we're going to have there at LTC. Unlike the songs, I don't create a slow version of this. So work through the vocabulary, so get that muscle memory down so that you can get to the point where you're not having to really think about what's going to happen. I just want you to listen and interpret. And so with that said, here we go. John chapter 15, verses 9 through 17 from the International Children's Bible. I love you as the Father loved me. Now remain in my love. I have obeyed my Father's command, and I remain in his love. In the same way, if you obey my commands, you will remain in my love. I have told you these things so that you can have the same joy I have. I want your joy to be the fullest joy. This is my commandment. Love each other as I have loved you. The greatest love a person can show is to die for his friends. You are my friends, if you do what I command you. I don't call you servants now. A servant does not know what his master is doing. But now I call you friends, because I have made known to you everything I heard from my Father. You did not choose me. I chose you. And I gave you this word. Go and produce fruit. I want you to produce fruit that will last. Then the Father will give you anything you ask for in my name. This is my command. Love each other. And there it is. Look forward to seeing you there at LTC.